If your Honda CR-V refuses to start, don't panic. Let's walk through the most common culprits in this quick diagnostic guide. Statistically, over 85% of no-start conditions in these vehicles are caused by simple battery or terminal connection failures. Before you reach for expensive parts, follow this logical flow to isolate exactly what is stopping your engine from turning over. Start by checking your battery voltage, cleaning terminals, observing dash light behavior, and ensuring your main ground strap is secure. If the battery checks out, you are likely looking at a faulty starter solenoid or a blown main ignition fuse. Less common but possible are issues with the crankshaft position sensor, a failed fuel pump, or a glitch in the immobilizer system. You can handle basic power checks at home, but leave internal components like the fuel pump or ECU to the professionals. The cost difference is significant, so diagnosing the issue correctly before buying parts will save you hundreds of dollars. Use an OBDI scanner to pull codes, a multimeter to test starter signals, and a fuel pressure kit to verify delivery. Keep these 4 tools in your garage. They are all you need to handle most no-start diagnostic procedures on your own. Remember, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before touching any electrical or fuel system components to prevent accidental shorts. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you start your CR-V, hit that subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips.